Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dash and Run, well, we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is from Jane Star and this is a macro 15 times lens for the GoPro Hero 9, 10 and 11. And basically what I'm going to do is do an unboxing, show you what it's like, and then later on I'll do what I did with the anamorphic lens. I'll upload some vision from this lens so you can have a look at it. So anyway, let's get into packaging, see what we've got, and then we'll go from there. So the first thing out the packaging is basically the lens in this nice little cover, and this cover protects the lens itself. So if I open it up and we'll get the lens out so we can have a bit of a closer look at it, you can see that this is quite a nice little lens. It's got a bit of a curve to it, and this is for macro use only, and this will go on the GoPro 9, 10 or 11. So next let me grab the GoPro and we'll attach this to the GoPro. Okay, so I've got the GoPro Hero 11 black, and this is the most recent edition from GoPro, but this lens adapter that I was looking at a few seconds ago will also work on the 9 and 10. Now to get the lens off the 9, 10 or 11, you have to turn it clockwise and hold it down tight, and it should start to turn like so. Then it will pop off, and now you've got the exposed lens itself, the little part for the actual mounting a lens onto it. And then if you get this particular lens here, which is the macro lens, you can see it's sort of got these two little metal bars. You want those to go to the top, because what you're doing is turning it and then it will lock onto the actual GoPro lens mount that way. Now it's mounted onto it, you've now got a macro 15 times lens, and that should be pretty useful if you want to get very close detailed shots. Now, as I said at the beginning of the video, this is just basically an unboxing video of this lens adapter, and what I will do is follow this video up with some footage so you can have a look yourself to see if this macro lens is going to be something that you want to get for your GoPro too. So anyway, until then, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.